The American Pit Bull Terrier is one of the strongest dog breeds in America. Its powerful muscles and fearless nature make it incredibly dangerous without proper training and responsible ownership. The Rottweiler is famous for its massive strength and protective instincts. With one of the strongest bite forces among dogs, it can be extremely dangerous if poorly trained. The German Shepherd is a powerful working dog used by police and the military. Its intelligence, speed, and protective nature make it a serious guard dog. The Doberman Pinscher is fast, fearless, and highly intelligent. This athletic breed is incredibly loyal, but it needs proper training and socialization from an early age.